Our engineers use only the latest 3D modelling software for motorhome research and development. Advanced design techniques allow us to accurately fabricate components using our CNC equipment. Our cabinetry doors are all held solidly in place with piano hinges. This gives each door dozens of screws to hold it in place no matter what condition roads you encounter. Cabinetry is assembled using screws, aluminium brackets, cam locks and the latest high-strength adhesives. To ensure the highest level of quality, a host of components like TV brackets, seat swivels and entire handbrake mechanisms are produced in Paradise Luxury Motorhomes sub-assembly division. All electrical works carried out by fully qualified tradesmen to the highest standards, using bootlace crimps at every point. Paradise Luxury Motorhomes' investment into the finish of your motorhome goes as far as being the only manufacturers with a fully sized spray booth that's pressurised, downdraft and heated. Our after-sales department can take care of all your needs from vehicle servicing, upgrades, as well as any insurance work using all factory-trained technicians on site. From the team at Paradise Luxury Motorhomes, we'd like to thank you for watching. We look forward to speaking with you soon.